Hey Dave, how you doing?
All right, I'm ready.
You ready? What are we doing?
We're gonna jump.
Jump out of a plane, huh?
Yeah, and enjoy every minute of it.
I can't wait. Say anything to your friends or family that might see this video?
Hey, here I am and I'm gonna do it. We're gonna have fun.
Well, very good. We'll see you out there, okay? Hey, blue skies, silver ceilings. Hey Dave, there he is.
All right, we're gonna go.
Side dive. So I'd like for you to go by these tail numbers. Just go over there, yeah?
Oh.
And then look at me. Give me a peace sign. There he is. All right, Dave, let's get on that plane. Blue skies. Just like that. Pull up, there you go. Arms up, arms up. See in front of you at the bottom? That's where we want to land. So we want to fly that way. So we're going to go straight for a little bit. Okay? Arms higher up. Perfect, right like that. I want to make sure you hit that drop. Pull a little left. Pull down your other left. There you go, a little more. A little more, yeah! Looking good, man. How you like it?
Oh, it's not too bad, except I think I bruised my leg.
What's it?
I think the harness bruised my leg.
Your arms hurt?
The harness bruised my leg.
Down, right?
Well,
hold on.
It pulled hard. No, it pulled hard on my leg.
Yeah, it's the parachute.
Hey, boss. How'd you like it?
Too rough, but okay.
It was good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, would you do it again? Undecided, huh?
Yeah, I don't know.
All right. Well, you made the first one. You did a great job. Thank you so much. And you have a great rest of the day. From the Rock, we thank you. Blue skies.